Hey guys, so welcome to my video, and I had to get a brand new caliper. This is the second one, and I'm going to tell you guys something. Alright, Ford Transit 250. Now, if you guys have problems if you guys wear your brakes all the way down to the metal, there is a pretty good chance with these disc brakes that what happens is the piston gets dislodged from the caliper, and you guys won't be able to push it back in. It really doesn't take that much. Essentially, it takes pretty much the width of one single brake pad. Like if it's worn down to this amount, like all the way down to the metal part, there's a pretty good chance that you guys are going to have to get a brand new caliper, because it's almost impossible to compress the piston, which is an absolute I'm not even going to call it a design flaw at this point. I'm just going to say that they did this on purpose, just so you're going to have to spend more money on something like that, so just so they make more money. Reason being is, on regular compression brakes, no issues as far as how far it comes out. I mean, you'd have to wear it down all the way to, you'd have to wear the metal down all the way. I've never had this issue with any other brakes besides these disc brakes before. I had this issue, same issue on a Chrysler a year back, where both the guy wore the brake pads all the way down, and the pistons couldn't compress, so he had to change out both his calipers, which is so wrong on so many levels, because a lot of people actually, you know, if they're tight on money, they won't change the brakes until it gets driven all the way down to the metal. You know, on regular brakes, I've had somebody, you know, wear the brakes all the way down and then driven like a couple of weeks on that to the metal, no problems as far as compressing the piston back. On these, all it has to do is come out to a certain amount, the width of one brake, one brake pad, and you're gonna have to get a new caliper. You're gonna have to get a new caliper, because it is impossible for you to put it back in. I mean, I don't know if there's a video out on it, but and the guy who I told this to told me that the piston came out and it was my fault. It was ridiculous. Like I told him, it was a money issue with these companies that make these designs on these brakes. Absolutely insane.